Recipes Tested. I'm Brianna Robinson, and today I'm going to be making my kids some apple donuts. They're napping right now. It'll be a nice surprise. It'll be for a snack for them, and I got this from delish.com. The link will be down in the description below. This just looked like a fun way to give the kids a treat. It's pretty simple, and it looks delicious, and best of all, it's just a little bit healthier than the traditional yeast donuts, although there's nothing wrong with one of those every once in a while. So throughout this video, I will just be going over the process of how the recipe is made based on how it's written, and at the end of the video, we'll be giving a taste test to let you know if it's love at first bite. So if you want to see how this recipe turns out, just keep watching and I'll get testing.
So the first step is to do the cream cheese mixture. So I just got my cream cheese that I microwaved for 30 seconds. And then put a little bit of honey and some blue food coloring, because that's the color that my kids picked. And then I meshed it all together. And then I got my apples and I sliced them. And I did a very bad job. They were not very even, but they were sliced and the kids didn't care. So that's good. And the next step was to get a cookie cutter and cut the rings out, the holes out. That was the smallest cookie cutter I had, so I just kind of worked with it. And then the last one, it was so tiny I didn't need one. And then I tried to get them on a plate. Well, I didn't try, I did. And, you know, then I just put the little blue frosting on. So the apples are wet, and it's not really gonna wanna spread. You gotta kind of just like put it down and kind of keep a thick layer. I don't know, if you press down too hard, it just slides right off. So you gotta kind of figure it out. And then the last step is just to sprinkle sprinkles on top of the whole thing. That's it. And this is what it looked like when it was all done.
You guys ready for some snack?
Yep.
Okay. Yes. What do you think it is?
Donuts, cupcakes.
Donut cupcakes?
Yes. Green apple. I want that one, right?
Okay, go ahead.
Thanks. Mmm. They're really good.
What's it taste like?
It tastes like a donut with frosting.
This is awkward trying to bend down. So, it's just cream cheese, right? The cream cheese is really mellowed out with the green apple, but the green apple is also really mellowed out with the cream cheese and especially the sprinkles. I mean, while this was really easy to make, it's kind of plain. I would probably rate this a 5, only because I instantly wish that I would have added cinnamon to the cream cheese just to give it that cinnamon and apple flavor profile rather than just plain sweetness with green apple. That would make the whole dish so much better with a tiny bit of cinnamon. All right, guys, well, thank you so much for hanging out with us today during our snack time. We really appreciate it. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up for more recipes tested, and we will see you guys
Can I take another one?
Sure.
Thanks.
And don't forget to subscribe while you're here for more recipes tested, and I will see you guys with my next video. Bye.